Hey guys, welcome back to Merly on Time. This is Unbox Wednesday. I'm going to be unboxing a watch, and it's a watch that I'm going to be reviewing on the channel this weekend. This is just the unbox and initial reaction to it, and then this Sunday I'll review it. Now I was going to be doing a watch that was sent to the channel to review from Whitby Watch Company. That unboxing video was going to drop this week. It's already been pre-recorded, but I did have an issue with the watch that I needed to talk to the owners about, and it's just something that happened with the bezel as I was wearing it and playing around with it, and immediately they wanted to make sure that it was made right, and so I had to send the watch back to them. And so this week I'm going to be talking about Homage watches, or Homage watches. Let me know in the comments how you pronounce that. I'm going to say Homage. Anyway, that's what we're looking at today. So and then hopefully next week, because Whitby Watch Company is going to send me another watch as they address the issue that I discovered with the one that was sent. So that will hopefully drop next week. Also, I want to give a huge thank you to another friend of mine. He kind of wanted to remain anonymous, but a fellow Canadian who has also sent me a watch to keep because he loves the channel. And fellow Canadian, he's unfortunately from Manitoba. Go Habs! They just swept the Winnipeg Jets. I don't know if he's a hockey fan, but if he is, he's still in mourning. So at any rate, I want to thank you for sending me that watch. I expect to get it today in the mail, probably tomorrow, and then that will be probably next week's unboxing and review. So at any rate, if you haven't subscribed yet, I really love you to subscribe. And if you are subscribed, thank you. And please like and comment on these videos. Let me know what you think. So we're going to get the camera turned around and unbox this watch. It's an AliExpress watch. It's not a Pagani design, but it is a watch that I've had my eye on for a bit. So again, just an unbox and quick look at this watch. A full review coming up later on this weekend, probably dropping on Sunday or first thing Monday morning. So let's turn the camera around and have a look at it, shall we? Okay guys, so I have a package from AliExpress. It is not a Pagani design. I've been looking forward to getting this watch for quite some time because it is an homage to a watch that I do quite like. I am rocking on my wrist the Liege watch that I got from AliExpress. I put it on this awesome blue rubber strap and orange contrast stitching to go with that bezel from Strapsco. Really happy with that. And so let's dig into to this package and see what we got. I hear the seagull there. He thinks I'm opening a snack. Not today, seagull. Okay, so this is a brand that again I've had my eye on, and plenty of people have done a review of it on their channel. And oh, look at this here. Looks like there's something else in this. Okay, so this is a very cheap pin remover for the watch band. Really cheap, but nice try on that one. So it did come in this plastic case, and you can see that we have a Steeldive. Listen to the birds. Oh my goodness, that's awesome. Okay, so this is the Steeldive, and this is the 1970, I believe, the Captain Willard homage for Seiko Captain Willard homage. So it comes in this nice plastic container. Well, there's 4 clips, so I better pop them all off. I must say, I definitely like the packaging. This is a nice, compact, sturdy plastic case. Would certainly be great to throw in a suitcase. Put a couple watches in probably if you're traveling. So the watch itself came in a little Ziploc bag. Let's just see what we have here. Your Steeldive warranty card, Steeldive instruction manual. Not going to need that. Some nice padding in there. So yeah, this would be great for at least a couple of watches as a travel case. So I'm digging that. And here is the watch, guys. And I will leave a link in the description where you can get this one. I'm going to be rocking it for a few days. There's a whole bunch of plastic on it, of course, but this is the Steeldive Homage. It's like a Seiko Turtle Homage. This one, I believe Homage is the Captain Willard, what they call the Seiko Captain Willard. I'm really digging it. This is really nice. It's got quite a bit of substantial weight to it. It's all stainless steel bracelet and everything. The clasp, wonder if it's just a press clasp or a milled clasp. Well, there's a bunch of plastic on it. Okay, so what I'll do, let me get all the plastic off of this, and then we'll do a wrist shot and take a look at this bracelet more closely, and then we'll do a full review later on this week. Okay, so it took me some time to get the plastic off of this. It was really nicely saran wrapped, and so yeah, I'm really digging this watch. The bracelet is just an all brush bracelet, which I like. Just a pressed clasp, which you know, I don't really, you know, a lot of people are like, oh, it's just a cheap press clasp. Yeah, I don't really mind it. That doesn't bother me at all. I do like the there's some branding on the clasp and the fold over lock, Steeldive branding. Oh, that's the right side up. And it's got a really neat case back too with that branding on it. So this is pretty cool. I can tell you I'm going to have to remove quite a few links. I can just tell by the length. Yeah, look at the length of this baby. So if you have a large wrist, you're not going to have any issues getting this on. I mean, look at that. I'm going to have to remove 3 or 4 links, I think, on this. But there it is, guys. Oh, that is a beautiful watch. Really looking forward to wearing this. Of course, I will be reviewing it this weekend, and yeah, so that's what's coming up. This review of this Steeldive. So remember, when you leave your house, make sure you have a great watch to wear on your wrist. And boy, this is fantastic. I really like it. And make sure you're wherever you're going. If I can talk this morning. Make sure wherever you're going, you get there on time. We'll see you in the next one, guys.